You're welcome back to this video on Facebook Ads Creation Series. In this video now, I'm going to be teaching you how to create another lead generation ad on Facebook. Now, I'm going to be selecting one campaign objective, which is the Facebook lead generation, and also selecting another campaign goal. So click on create, select lead generation, name it lead generation ad 3. Press it. This one is the main ad. Right, then this one is the ad set level. Right, let me just make it quickly. Then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select two things here. I'll just show you what you need to do here. I'm going to select this one because in ad creation you need to text different objectives. You need to text quite a number of things so you see how it's going to work for you. Right, then this is how I'm going to be doing my own. Selecting this and then put your own ads budget, daily budget. You can put it, set it at lifetime or daily budget. For me, I love it like this. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on next, right? Then put your own money, your own funds, your own daily budget. I'm going to select. You can select anywhere. You can select anything at all. So I'm going to select instant form and messenger. You can even select Instagram if you want to. Instant form and messenger. Then I'll come down again. I'll leave everything like this. Depending on what you want to get from the campaign, this is where you select the age range. You select the location you want to target. You must not select the whole Nigeria. Then you come here, put the placement manual. Then I'm going to click on manual. I'll select two things here. I'll select Facebook as well because I don't have Facebook. I don't have Instagram account. I will remove this Instagram because I'm not using Instagram on this ad account I'm using. So I have only Facebook and audience form. So I'll click on next. Now this is the main place that we have to focus on because most of the things we did here I already know how to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on creating a form. Okay, I'm going to create a form because if you look at this place now, they said a form is needed. Let me just, where is it please? It's a place they said that the form is needed. Okay, anyway, the thing is not showing up again. So now look at the form we created before. It's the same thing but another approach. So look at what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to create this form. You can still use the same form you had before on your campaign. Alright, you can still use the same form to equally do this particular one now. Okay, this is the main ad. This is the ad people are going to see. Right, then this one is the form they are going to click to get access to your product. What I'm going to do now is because of it's a lead generation form, we need to create a form. It's very important to need to create a form. So you can decide to use the same form or duplicate it to use it on this ad you are creating now on the website and lead form. Now because of this particular lead I choose, this ad level I choose is both on instant form and messenger. That means they will message you, they will click on the ad, and it's going to get two things from them. One is going to get their information and also get them to come to your inbox. Alright, then you can chat them up there and follow them up with what you are trying to probably make them to do. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on, you already know how to do all these things already now. So let me just probably click on you cannot select the existing post because it's a lead generation post. It's a lead generation ad, so you cannot select selected post. You must create your own. So now let me just click on carousel. Now carousel simply means that you are trying to promote a product using different images. It can be 20 images. Now the reason why you want to use carousel is even on your post on your image on your page on Facebook, you can decide to add 20 images. Alright, on the post you add. Now on this carousel now, you can select, like they call it card. Now card is something like you can add images, you can add videos. So let's select images. Let me show you what you are going to be doing. Let's click on upload. I'm going to upload like 2 or 3 images. Now this image I'm going to upload here is basically my product images. Alright, that's what I'm going to be putting here. So let me scroll up. I'm going to select this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Something like this. I'll put it up here. Then I'll upload the images there, right? It's going to process the images. I'm going to select the one I want to select on my campaign. So basically, this carousel is different types of campaign you need to create. You must have come across an ad on Facebook that talks about different products, and those campaign has something like called swipe. You can swipe like left or right on the campaign to see different variation of images or product images. That is what we are going to be doing up here. Okay, that is what we are going to be doing up here. So let me show you what is needed. So let's see whether the thing has finished uploading the images. So let's just start uploading. Let's just select one. These are cards, right? You can select up to 10 images. All right, let me select this last one. I click on continue. Please remember that this is just a testing ad. I'm not trying to use it for any campaign at all. Okay, this is just a testing ad I'm using. So basically, this is what is going to show my prospect or my clients to see my campaign. So on your own, you can add your product images. It can be even your videos of your product. It can be like 20 seconds or 1 minute videos of your product. Then you push it out there, right? Then what I'm going to do now is you need to put a headline. You can decide to add a headline and description and URL of different pages. Now, this is what is needed here. I'll just say, because this is just my product and I created before, I just say download. Then the description is going to be, this is just like example, okay? Example of what I'm trying to do. So the next thing for you to do now is you can click on apply. Then it's going to apply to all the whole images. Now we have something we called inter description and headline. That means each of the posts, each of the images you have, let me show you something. Let me go to advanced preview. Each of the images you have here, you can decide to add a headline to all of them, right? On each image, you can see different images, different image posts, different images. So you can decide to change all these things here on your own. So let me show you what to do. To do that, click on this pencil icon and change it. But for me, I'll just click on apply to all card because I'm actually selling everything. Okay, because I'm actually selling the same product. Apply this into all cards. Then I'm good to go. Then if I want to change it for my own text or my own good, I can decide to click on any one. Right, click on any one and edit it to my own text, and I'm good to go. So your own type, select the one you want to select, edit, add your description, product description, and also product headlines, and you are good to go. You don't need to come and kill yourself for anything. Then we have primary text. Primary text is what is going to show up here. Let me show you something. I'll say this is what I needed for them to do because I'm trying to promote my app. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this call to action button. It's going to change from sign up to download because it's an app I'm trying to promote. So you just download. So let me leave it at download. So the next thing I'm going to do is to create another form. Add your own information on the form. Now let me show you what I mean by here. You need to create another form of this campaign you are running again. Now that form is going to be this one now. This form you can see I showed you guys in the last videos. So we have something we called we have this one, which is probably the best one, I think so. That place they said if they submit it, the next button is going to be for them to click this one now, this join on WhatsApp now. It can be a link to your landing page or anything. So you need to create a form, build it to your own text, change some things here, and you are good to go. Then you hit on publish. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Facebook app promotional campaign. This campaign is best used if you want to promote your app on Play Store and also use Facebook for that reason. That means that you're using Facebook to promote your app. When somebody clicks on the app, the campaign on Facebook, it redirects them to Play Store to download the application. So thank you so much for watching this video, and in the next video, I'll show you how to do all these things and get it up and running.